The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, rumored to launch as the Galaxy S25 Slim next year, could borrow a camera from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The word comes from reliable tipster Ice Universe, who said, the Galaxy S25 Slim is equipped with an Ultra camera. ICS didn't get into the specifics, but the tipster's tweet can be interpreted as the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim featuring the S25 Ultra's primary camera, with the rest of the snappers in the camera system being different. Rumors claim the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will sport a 12MP selfie shooter, with a camera setup on the rear comprising 200MP primary, ISOCELL HP2, 50MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto, 3x optical, and 50MP telephoto, 5x optical units. Circling back to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim, Korean media reports the smartphone will feature a 6.7-inch screen and could pack a battery thinner than the S24 FE's.